tonight your client Draven, along with Des, won their matchup.
Hang on, Des, did you not see my great friend, the ACW General Manager, James Cruiser, single-handedly alongside my beast? Draven Ragnarsson, the Destroyer, single-handedly take both Malachi Slick, my jaw, and that jumping bean Kid Condor to the grave tonight. Well, you know what? Let's end this once and for all, kid. Let's end this once and for all. How about you and my client, the Destroyer, Draven Ragnarsson, in one final match, and we're gonna make sure that you become extinct. Your bones are gonna be broken, and you're gonna be laid to rest. And there's one thing that you can always bet on. Oh!